Now we are going to learn about the 30, 60, 90 theorem and 45, 45, 90 theorem. In short, that we learned in 9th class. So, first of all, we have to draw a triangle. We have to draw a triangle of the same measure. So in this triangle ABC, angle C is 30 degree, angle B is 90 degree, then the remaining angle A will be 60 degree. So this is a triangle of 30, 60, 90 type. So here we can write triangle ABC is of 30, 60, 90 type. So we can use this theorem, 30, 60, 90 theorem here. So the side opposite to 30 degree. Now AB is side opposite to 30 degree. So side opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse. So AC is hypotenuse. So here we can mention the reference side opposite to 30 degree, and the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. That means BC is root 3 upon 2 times hypotenuse. So side opposite to 60 degree. So in this way, this is 30, 60, 90 theorem. Now we will take an example regarding 30, 60, 90 theorem. Now if I write the length of side AB as 6 centimeter, then we will find out remaining two sides. So in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle C is equal to 30 degree. Therefore triangle ABC is of 30, 60, 90 type. Therefore by 30, 60, 90 theorem, the side opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse. That means AB is half of AC. So place the value 6 is equal to half of AC. So AC is equal to 6 multiplied by 2. This 2 which is in the denominator side will come to the numerator side here in multiplication with 6. So 6 into 2, 12 is equal to AC. Therefore we can write AC is equal to 12 centimeter. Now here we got hypotenuse. Now we are going to find out BC. So BC is side opposite to 60 degree. So here we can take BC is equal to root 3 upon 2 into AC. So root 3 upon 2 multiplied by AC, that is 12. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So it becomes 6 root 3 centimeter. So BC is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. In this way we can use 30, 60, 90 theorem. Now next is 45, 45, 90 theorem. For that we have to draw a triangle. So this is a triangle of 45, 45, 90, where angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 90 degree, and angle C is 45 degree. So this is 45, 45, 90 theorem. The theorem is side opposite to 45. So in these two angles are 45 degree. So side opposite to 45 degree, that means there are two different sides which are opposite to 45 degree, that is AB and BC. So these two sides are 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse, that is AC. So here we can write AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 upon root 2 times AC. So in this way we can use this 45, 45, 90 theorem. So for that we will take an example. So same figure we are going to use for the example with one measurement, that is hypotenuse is root 8. So in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to C is equal to 45 degree, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle ABC is of 45, 45, 90 type. Therefore by 45, 45, 90 theorem, we can write AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 upon root 2 times AC. So 1 upon root 2 multiplied by AC is root 8. So 1 upon root 2 multiplied by 8 we can factorize as 4 into 2. So 1 upon root 2 multiplied by square root of 4 is 2. So it will become 2 into root 2, that is 2 root 2. So here this root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. So it will become 2. So here we can write AB is equal to BC is equal to 2. So in this way we can use 45, 45, 90. Thank you.